It's Dejana Smith from Pontiac, Michigan. I am a criminal justice.
Hi, my name is Victoria Boone from Tappahannock, Virginia, political science major.
Hi, my name is Brian Marshall Jr. I'm a criminal justice major from Upper Marlboro, Maryland.
Hi, my name is Courtney Barnes, a first-year theater, costume, and fashion major from Cincinnati, Ohio.
Hi everyone, my name is Isis Plaza. I'm a first-year political science major from Stockbridge, Georgia.
In this TED Talk, we will talk about evolution. Evolution is the process when different kinds of living organisms develop and diversify from earlier forms during the history of the Earth, or more simply, a gradual development of a species. Another kind of evolution is gene flow, which will be mentioned later in this evolution TED Talk.
Okay, so many of you may want to know what human evolution actually is. Human evolution is the theory of humans evolving from an ape to a human over time. This theory began in Africa over 6 million years ago, and Africa is also where most of human evolution occurred. This is where the oldest fossils and genetic evidence has been found by different scientists. And scientists have found that apes and humans do share a common ancestor that lived between 8 and 6 million years ago. But scientists have not exactly found what that common ancestor is. However, even after descending from the same ancestors, humans and apes have took two separate paths to evolution, and while we are related, we are not directly related. There are many fossils and artifacts that have been found to prove that human evolution has occurred.
One prime example of human evolution is skin color. Skin color is determined by the type of melanin your body produces most. There are two types of melanin that determine the pigment of your skin: pheomelanin and eumelanin. Pheomelanin produces lighter skin, while eumelanin produces darker skin. Melanin protects against ultraviolet radiation. Historically, people with darker skin lived within 20 degrees of the equator, while people of lighter skin lived north of the 20-degree latitude. People in tropical areas and areas with less forests tend to have more melanin in order to protect their skin from UV radiation. People in Northwest Europe have a disadvantage in these areas because instead of tanning, their skin burns and peels. Natural selection caused lighter pigment to favor those who could drink cow milk to replace the vitamin D they weren't getting in their skin. However, those who live further from the equator benefit where darker skin wouldn't. In these areas, lighter skin absorbs more UV rays than people who originate from areas closer to the equator. Darker skinned people would be more liable to vitamin D deficiency. This is only one of many examples of how evolution benefits people from many backgrounds in very different ways.
Paleoanthropology is a scientific study of human evolution. Humans did not evolve from apes. Even though we have similarities, humans follow a different evolutionary path. Humans have evolved over the past 4 million years. For example, walking on two legs, communication, making tools, developing a larger or more complex brain, as we develop on our posture as well. Human genetic mutation occurs when early humans migrated to other parts of the world. Early humans originated from Africa, which has been said in the past. Then they migrated to Asia about 2 million years ago. Europe, 1.5 million years ago. And to the Americas, 30,000 years ago.
The question is, why does human evolution matter to us? Well, first of all, the study of science in general is important and relevant, but understanding the evolutionary process and history of the human race offers us a key insight into our anatomy, genetic makeup, and adaptability. Evolution matters to us because it has an impact on the food we eat, our environment, our health, but most importantly, our lives. Our very survival depends on how we understand evolution and understand how it works. If you don't understand evolution, you won't get why genetics and everything else about biology is the way it is. Knowing why creatures are different is extremely important.